Block making. A concrete block is primarily used as a building material in the construction of walls. At the end of the session, you will be able to make concrete blocks. Let's first take a look at the tools and materials required for making concrete blocks. The tools required are trowel, wooden float, mortar mixing pan, mold, and hoe. The materials required are sand, cement, water, a mixture of 6 mm and 12 mm coarse aggregate. Now let's see the procedure of making concrete blocks. Step 1. Prepare the concrete mix. The cement concrete is to be mixed in the ratio of 1:6:6, which means 1 part of cement, 6 parts of sand, and 6 parts of coarse aggregate. Cement and sand are first mixed with the help of a hoe until the mixture attains a uniform color without adding water. Coarse aggregates are then added to this mixture, and the whole mixture is then turned until the ingredients are uniformly spread throughout. Then, desired amount of clean water is added and mixed. The mixtures should be consumed within a period of 2 hours after adding water. Step 2. Pour the concrete mix in the mold. Place the mold on a flat surface. Spread a layer of sand in the open space of the mold. Pour the concrete mixture into the mold. Fill it tightly with the help of a trowel. Level the open surface smooth by running a wooden float across it. Repeat the same procedure on the other side of the mold as well. Scoop the excess concrete mixture using a trowel at the open face of the mold. Step 3. Curing the concrete block. The concrete block needs to be kept in the mold for some time. Then, remove the mold carefully from the concrete block. Leave the block for curing by wetting the blocks. The curing process will provide the required compressive strength and will take 7 days. With that, we have come to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned to make concrete blocks,